Good morning, beta. Yesterday we were discussing data handling. Pie chart we have discussed. For the pie chart, you all know that we have to find the central angle first. For finding the central angle, each entry will be divided by the total number and will be multiplied with 360 degrees to convert it into degrees. So for fifth question and second question we have done. Now let's start with question number 1. In this pie chart is given and you have to answer the following question. 82. Pie chart is given and you have to find the answers of the question. Circle is given. You have given different entries for different dance style. First is semi-classical, 20%. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in the city. From this pie chart, if 20 people liked classical music, 20 people like classical music, what is the percentage for classical music? 10%. 10% of total. How many are total? X. That is equal to 20. This percentage is for the classical. This is the number of person who like classical music. Both are representing the same category, that is classical music. So that's why I have equated both. So total students या total persons are X. 10% of X is equal to 20. ये classical की percentage है, ये classical का number है. 10 upon 100 into X is equal to 20. This 10 is dividing. So when you shift 10 on the other side, it will be multiplied. So that means there are total persons 200. Total persons are 200. And first part we have done, you have to find the total person surveyed, that is 200. Which type of music is liked by the maximum? See in the figure. Liked music is liked by the maximum persons. Third is if cassettes are made, 1000 CDs construct की है किसकी? Different dance, different music type की. First is 20, आपके पास total 1000 CDs हैं, इनमें से separate करना है. सेमी क्लासिकल की कितनी है? क्लासिकल की कितनी है? फोक की कितनी है? और लाइट की कितनी है? सेमी क्लासिकल की कितनी है? 20% ऑफ व्हाट? 1000. क्लासिकल की 10% ऑफ 1000. फोक इज 30% ऑफ 1000. क्योंकि 1000 सीडीज में से बताना ना किस किस म्यूजिक की कितनी सीडी बनाई. करो सॉल्व, करो इसे, करो सॉल्व. Start question number 3 after this. Semi-classical CDs are 200, classical 100, folk 300, and light music 400. And if you make total of all these, the total will be 1000 CDs. Okay? Any doubt? Start third question. In the third question, colors are given. You have to construct the pie chart. What you will do for the pie chart? Yes, firstly you will find central angle. Hurry up, find central angle. Find central angle. After finding the central angle, you will make the pie chart. And the another name of the pie chart is circle graph. Circle graph. Find central angle. Hurry up. थ्री 60 आएगा. डिग्री में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर रहे. How you will find the central angle? For the blue color, 18 upon total. 18 upon total, that is 36 into 360. Why we are writing 360? Because we are converting this different colors to degrees, and the total of the degrees is 360. So जिसमें convert करना है, that will be multiplied, that is 360. Find each angle for different color. After getting the angles, you will make the circle of any radius. Is there any Madhav Kapoor in your class? Just look at your handwriting. सर्कल बनाओ. नहीं बेटे, इधर ही बनाते हैं. What is the measurement of first angle? 180. Then 90. 60, 30. 4 angles are there. So make circle graph for this. First you will draw 180 degree, then 90, then 60, then 30. Those who have done this third question, they can start with question number 4. Question number 4 is exactly same as question number 1. No noise. Done. Fourth question. In the fourth question, third you have completed? Third. In the fourth question, the pie chart is given in which the marks obtained in different subjects are given, but they are in degrees. Now the things that are given is in degree. तो जिसको remove करना है, डिग्री को remove करना है और marks में convert करना है. And the total marks are 540. ठीक है? तो आप each subject में marks find करोगे. How much marks the student is getting in different subjects? First is maths. Maths is 90%, 90 degree. So degree you will convert to numbers. Numbers में ला रहे हैं ना? Numbers में convert कर रहे हैं तो we will multiply it with 540. Degrees we are removing. Total of all the degrees 360. So you will divide it by 360. You are removing the degree now, so you will divide it by the total of the degree, and you are introducing the number, so you will multiply it with the total number, that is 540. ठीक है? जिसको remove करना है उससे divide, जिसको introduce करना है उससे multiply. Cutting कर लो इसकी. 9 4 9 6 2 3. Common number क्या आ रहा है? 3/2. 3/2 आ गया. कितना आएगा यहाँ पे? 135. Next is degree नहीं है, ये marks है. 135 marks. Actually it was already in degree. So we are converting this degrees to marks. So marks आ गए 135. What are you doing? ध्यान है आपका क्लास में, क्या कर रहे हो? Social studies डिग्री कितनी है? 65 अपॉन 360 इंटू 540. इसके कटिंग करके क्या आएगा? 3/2. 3/2. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, क्या आएगा? 195/2. 195/2 डिवाइड कर लो. 97.5 मार्क्स आए हैं in social studies. Get marks in each subject, then you have to answer the following question. Hurry up. Convert each subject degree to marks. Find the marks for the next subject, that is science. Science is equivalent to 80 degree. So convert 80 degree to marks. Yes, marks for science is Next. That's it. Okay. Now you have to answer the following question. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? Hindi. How many more marks were obtained by the student in maths than Hindi? Maths and Hindi. कितना difference है? 30. So the student has scored 30 more marks in maths than Hindi. Next is sum of social and maths. Social and maths का sum कितना आएगा? Get the total of these two. 232.5. 232.5. And what is the total of science and Hindi? 225. So is the total of this is greater than this? आपसे यही पूछ रहा है कि पहले वाले का टोटल इससे ज्यादा है? Yes, it is more than the total of science and Hindi. Okay? Any doubt? अब आपको एक समझ आ गई चीज, जो चीज रिमूव करनी है उसका टोटल से डिवाइड करना है और जो चीज इंट्रोड्यूस करनी है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 360 से मल्टीप्लाई, मार्क्स से करना है तो जो मार्क्स का टोटल दिया हुआ वो लिखते. ठीक है, क्लियर है? नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद next topic, that is histogram. On page number 81, किसमें कह रहे हो? इंग्लिश 55 into 3/2. हाँ 82.5 हुआ ना फिर. हाँ तो 182.5 होगा ना फिर. ठीक है, चलो. हाँ जी, on page number 81, try these is given. Last third part is your grouped data. Intervals are given, and whenever intervals are given, you will draw histogram. Whenever grouped data is given in the form of the interval, you will always draw histogram. You will take intervals on x-axis and frequency on the y-axis. So what you will do, page number 81, try these third part we are doing. So you will draw x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, and the intervals are starting from 75 to 100. So first you will take 75, 100, then next is, see the next number in your book. First interval is 75 to 100, then 100 to 125, 125 to, we have the gap of 25. So here also you will have the gap of 25. First interval was starting from 75. So we had started from 75. 125, 150, 175, 200, 225. Yes, complete this till the last number. Last number is 250. Got it? Now the first is 75 to 100. And number of workers, that is known as the frequency. Lowest number is 30 and the maximum is 140. So you will take 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. These are number of workers. And on x-axis, what you have? daily income in rupees. Daily income in rupees. So first is 75. Yes, you will put kink here. Why we are putting kink on both the axes? Irregular hai. They all have the gap of 25, but in the first and the second number you have gap of 75. And here also on y-axis you have gap of 10, but in the beginning you have gap of 30. So that's why we will put kink for covering the irregular gap. First is 75 to 100, that is 45. 45. Next is 100 to 125, 35. Complete like this. Complete it, hurry up. Whenever intervals are given, you have to draw histogram. Have you completed this? Show me. Write scale. In the notebook also you have not written the scale on the very first page. You haven't even marked x-axis, y-axis. This horizontal axis is called x-axis. Vertical axis is called, and the point of intersection of these two is called origin. Origin, that is 0, 0. Means on this origin, x coordinate is 0 as well as y coordinate is 0. X भी 0 है, y भी 0 है. Where? At origin. Origin, उसको kink. Origin is the point, write down. Horizontal axis is called x-axis. Vertical axis is called y-axis. Write down. Horizontal axis is called x-axis. Vertical axis is called y-axis. Next, लिखो point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. Point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. Is called origin. Origin means O 0, 0, x भी 0, y भी 0. ठीक है? Origin जहां लिखा है उसके साथ ये भी लिख लो, O 0, 0. Origin की फुल फॉर्म जो है वो O की फुल फॉर्म है, वो origin है. वैसे O लिखते हैं उसको. O का मतलब है 0, 0. X भी 0, y भी 0. फर्स्ट बॉक्स ही छोड़ के फर्स्ट लाइन पे नंबर लिख देना 75. बॉक्स एक ही लीव करना है, उसमें किंक डाल देना है, फिर आगे 75 लिख देना. एक बॉक्स ही लीव करना है. हैव यू मार्क्ड किंक ऑन एक्स एक्सिस? नो. किंक कहाँ मार्क करना है? एक्स एक्सिस पे भी तो मार्क करना है. Yes, who will tell me the scale of x-axis? Scale of x-axis. 25. 25 rupees. Wages है ना? Scale for x-axis is 1 box is equal to rupees 25, and for y-axis is 10 workers. 1 box is equal to 10 workers. What happened? Done. Now start bar graph of the same. Try this question number 1. Bar graph is again of the same form, but they have gap between them. Bar graph is again same, but instead of intervals, years are given. So what you will do, you will mark x-axis y-axis, this is your 2001, this is 2001, this is 2000, ये बॉक्स जो है ना पूरा, ये 2001 है, इसमें बार बनाना है. Then leave one box, make 2002. So this gap will give you bar graph. Yes, first question that is related to bar graph. Abhishek, come here. It will be written. If intervals are given, then you will draw histogram. If degrees are given, or you have to draw the circle graph, pie chart, it will be written. Whatsoever is left, that is related to your bar graph. 3 types of graph are there, na? Bar graph, histogram, or pie chart. Start the next one. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 10, 20 भी ले सकते हैं. It's up to you. You can start from 10. ये 75 यहाँ आएगा, ये 100 यहाँ आएगा, यहाँ 125 आएगा. ऐसे बीच में थोड़ी लिखना है. आपने एक बात देखो नोटिस की है, ये जो हिस्टोग्राम है ना, ये फर्स्ट बार के ऊपर यहाँ 75 है, ये 100 है, ये 125 है. आप इसको आगे पीछे नहीं लिख सकते. ठीक है, 75 फर्स्ट बार पे है, जहां एंड हो रहा है वहां 100 है, फिर 125 है. सेंटर में नहीं लिखना, इट विल बी रॉन्ग. डू इट, हरी अप. आज टेस्ट है ना, आज टेस्ट है ना. Yes, listen, today you have test at 5 p.m. and the test will be of which chapter? Understanding. What? Rudransh, किस chapter का test है? Understanding quadrilateral, that is chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Complete test है. Last time सिर्फ 2 exercise का test लिया था, and in this week you have test of complete chapter. Okay, test link will be sent to you and you will do it. Only 40-minute test will be there, so you have to complete within the time limit, otherwise link will be closed. 15 questions होंगे, 5 to 5:40 का टाइम होगा. ओके, नहीं ऐसी मजाक हो रहा है बेटे, मजाक हो रहा है, ऐसी मजाक में नंबर लगेंगे. कोई बात नहीं, जब टोटल रिजल्ट होगा ना, सबका टोटल आएगा, पता चल जाएगा अपने आप मजाक था कि क्या था. जब बाकी सब में कितने का गैप है? 25 का. 0 से लेके 75 में कितने का गैप है? 0 से लेके 75 में 75 का गैप है, ज्यादा है ना. उसमें सब में 10 का गैप है. 0 से 30 में कितने का गैप है? बाकी सब में 10 है, ज्यादा है ना, इसलिए इंक डालो. और स्पेस बेटा पहला बॉक्स छूटेगा, और क्या, वो तो सब में ही होता है. हाँ जी. Done? Have you started? No. X axis, Y axis, so we can Scale, scale you haven't written. Scale will go. Represent your 2004. One complete box.